What's up you guys, welcome back to another video of Junites because you are nice. Today we're making a quadruple canvas pouring painting with aquatic colors, a base coat of black and white, and if I have enough paint left over I'll be making it on a bigger canvas, but as usual I'll probably have too little paint to finish my work that I'm doing right now. I always try to make more and more paint, but I always keep ending up with too little paint. So let's see and let's get straight into it. Go! Okay, I had to mix up some more black and white because, as I said, I always tend to make too little of my paint. Now, let's get into the color schemes. Over here I already messed it up a little bit.
young foreign.
Don't be mean, I was a chubby kid.
Okay, so it worked. I kept on blowing. I do like the smoky effect. Maybe I should just do a black and white series. I think like some real simple black and white. Black and white are my favorite colors, even though you can say it's not a color. It are my favorite colors. Literally my closet is black and white, and I have like five colored shirts maybe. So yeah, I'm going to do a black and white series for sure. I can't forget, but luckily I need to edit this video and I can remind myself and put it in my agenda. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video because it is effectively over. Let's get you on to the next video and I'll see you in another video. Peace.